Good morning, learners, and welcome to our today's lesson. Yesterday, we discussed about hire purchase, and we saw it's a way of buying items when you don't have enough money. So you are given the item, but you later pay the balance in installments. So before I start what I wanted to do today, I want us to look at one question that you may have done. And the question reads, the market price of a TV set was 7,500. So the market price, 7,500. Begin about it on hire purchase by paying a deposit of 3,200. We paid deposit, 3,200. And 7 monthly installments of 900 each. Monthly installments. The total monthly installments, they were over 7 months, and each month she was to pay 900. So the total monthly installment in this case is 6,300 shillings. So that is the total monthly installments. How much did he pay for the TV set? Now, number A, what she paid was, her purchase is equal to the deposit plus monthly installments. Therefore, their purchase is equals to the deposit 3,200 plus their purchase, the installments 6,300, and that will give us an purchase of 9,500. So this is 9,500 shillings. That is what she paid as their purchase. Question B says, how much more did she pay on her purchase? How much more? I told you when you ask how much more, you subtract. That's the her purchase price, 9,500, subtract the market price. If she was to pay cash, she would have given 7,500 and then walked away with the machine. That is the TV set. So the difference is 2,000. So she paid, at the end of the day, she paid 2,000 more because she was allowed the item to go home. Now, what was the percentage increase on the market price? The percentage increase on the market price. Now, this is the increase, The difference is the increase. So the percentage increase would be 2,000 over the original price. The market, because we are talking over the market price, 7,500 times 100%. So we are looking for the percentage increase by 515 by 5 400. 400 divided by 15 by 5 3 by 5 80. 80 divided by 3 1 2 for 6 2 0. This is 6 for 18 2. So 26 and 2 over 3%. The increase was 26 and 2 over 3%. So that's how learner you do that question. A very simple question, just understanding a formula. Our purchase is gotten by the deposit plus the total monthly installments. When you talk about total monthly installments, you have to multiply the number of months and the amount paid in each month to get the total monthly installments. So that's where we were yesterday, and we left it at that point. Now today I want us to look at what we call simple interest. Simple interest. So there are also terms that we are going to meet here when we are dealing with simple interest. Terms like per annum, time, etc. Simple interest. Now when you talk about simple interest, when you borrow money or you deposit your money into an account, if you ask daddy or mommy, when they deposit money in the account to stay for a period of time, it earns them an extra money. It earns an extra money. The extra money that is earned by that money is called interest. Also, we can also talk about simple interest when you borrow money. When you borrow money, like you borrow 2,000 shillings. At the end of the day, you don't pay 2,000 only. You pay 2,000 and maybe plus 200 shillings. This is interest because you borrowed that money, you return the money 2,200 plus an interest, something that is charged or what you're supposed to pay. So you are given the 2,000, but in return you return 2,200. The 200 is charged because you are given the money to go and use it. So the same way, when you deposit money into the banks do not just put the money there. They go use the money. So because they are using the money for other things, they will later on pay you something else, because your money will not just stay idle in the banks. So how do we get a simple interest? Now, simple interest is gotten by principal times time times rate, or 100. Now, I want to explain these terms. Principal, this is written as principal, is the money borrowed. The money borrowed. The initial amount. The initial amount is what we call principal. Then we have time. The time that you are given in terms of years. Yes, in terms of years. Then we have the rate. The rate in terms of percentage. What amount, what interest is charged per annum. Then SI is simple interest. Simple interest. The reason why we're calling it simple interest, because there is another interest in class 8 where we talk about compound interest, which is calculated per year. So if you're lending some money in 2 years, they calculate that money per year. You hear them talking about something like what will be earned in the second year. But in this case, we just multiply by the number of years. If there are 3 years, we multiply by 3 years. So let's try to do one question so that we understand exactly what we are talking about. And I want you to know that this 100 is only over that rate. It is not catering for all this. It's only a year under this which is the rate. So I want to do a question here. Moya borrowed 3,000 for 1 year. So borrowed. The money borrowed is said is the principal. So you just simply write principal, 3,000 shillings. That is the money borrowed. 1 year, for 1 year. 1 year is time. So you write T, 1 year. Then he paid simple interest at the rate of 10% per annum. The rate is equal to 10% per annum. And per annum is written as PA per annum. Per annum, annum means year, per year. So how much interest did he pay? What is the simple interest that was earned by 3,000 in 1 year at the rate of 10% per annum? Simple. We got the formula. You say simple interest is equals to principal times time times rate, the rate of 100. This is the rate percent. The rate percent, so you write the rate of 100 to mean percent. So the simple interest will be the principal. What is the principal? 3,000 times, what is the time? 1 year, times the rate 10 over 100. So 10 over 100 like that. So you want to get the total simple interest. These two will cancel. We remain with 30 times 10. So the total simple interest is only 300 shillings. Simple as that. There's no other way of doing that question. That's the only way you can be able to get that question. So that's how you calculate it and get it right. Maybe we do a second question. So more importantly, you have to break the question into workable statements. Workable statement. And example 2. Example 2. McKenna deposited 10,000 in a savings bank. In this time, this person is not borrowing. Remember, that person had borrowed. So he returned back. If you were to pay in the old year, you pay 3,000 plus 300. So that is what the bank required. But in this case, this person is saving. So it's going to deposit, to save in a bank. So he's deposited 10,000. So 10,000 is the principal. 10,000 shillings. in a savings bank. The bank paid interest at the rate of 11% per annum. The rate 11% per annum per year. How much interest are money earned in 9 months? Time in 9 months. Now, when it comes to this learner, when you are given terms of months, you convert these months into years. So you divide, you say 9 over 12. 9 over 12. You say 9 over 12. For you to change those months into years. So you divide over 12. If these are in terms of months, you put over 12. So you say simple interest is equals to principal times time times rate over 100. The rate is over 100. And so therefore, the principal is 10,000. What is the time? The time is 9 over 12. To make it a year. Then, the rate, 11 over 100. As simple as that. So you say by 3, 4, by 3, 3. By 2, 2, by 2, 5,000. By 2, 1, by 2, 2,500. So in that case, you have 2,500 times 3, that is 7,500 times 11. Alright, here we have 2 zeros, you cancel here. 25 times 3, it is 75. Then 25 times 11, you get 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 2, 8. So the simple interest earned was 825 shillings. 825 shillings. Remember the units are shillings. So 825 shillings. Because we asked how much interest is the money earned in 9 months. So that is what the money earned in 9 months. Let's do another example. Example 3. Example 3. Told Joanna borrowed 6,000 for a period of 9 months. Because that involves 9 months again, let me leave that. But go to a different one where a person borrowed 5,000. So 15,000. So that 15,000 was the principal, and that was borrowed at the 1.5 years. So time 1.5 years. And then the rate was 12. So it was 9. The rate 9% per annum. And the question is, find the simple interest. Okay? Now in this one, look at the time. The time involves a mixed number. A mixed number. So there is a way we will be able to change that. So, simple interest, you write the formula, is equals to principal times time times rate over 100. This will give you simple interest as 15,000, the principal, times time. The time is 1.3, so 1.3 times 9 over 100. So 9 over 100, which is 9%. So this simple interest will be 15,000 times, you change this, 3 times 1 plus 1, which is 4 over 3, times 9 over 100. This and this will cancel. By 3, 1, by 3, 5, 0. So 50 times 4 times 9. 50 times 4 is 200. 200 times 9, the simple interest will be 1,800 shillings. So that's how you get the simple interest for that particular question. So you realize that if you follow the right method, you are going to arrive at an answer. But in case you ask now, what was the total amount that was paid at the end of the 1.3 years? You take the principal year plus the simple interest. I don't know whether it's a question like that. Yes, it's a question about the amount. We will be able to do that tomorrow in our next lesson tomorrow. But the first one, let's calculate first the simple interest. and then we come to that. So I want you to attempt exercise 99, and 99 and 100. So it's 99. So practice exercise 99 and 100. Everything. Calculate those questions. Follow the formula. You'll be able to arrive to the answer. So tomorrow we will see how we can be able to get the amount, and it will be very simple. I'll show you how to get the amount at the end of a certain amount of number of years. So until next time, Lana, babies at home, sanitize and stay safe. Thank you.